Motherfucker gang here. I'm gonna do our thing one time. Who we up? Broadway, we got you? Broadway. Nigga Phil Queen get great with me. You know what I mean? I don't know why I go behind the motherfucking joint. When I walk up here, get up in this joint, though, we kinda late. Late as a motherfucker.
I'ma just keep it 100, 100. Always be chasing 100. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 100, 100.
Flexing. 2 cups. Designer shit. So lit.
Yeah. I'ma just keep it 100, 100. Always be chasing 100. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 100, 100.
Flexing. 2 cups. Designer shit.
Yeah.
So lit.
Yeah.
Ammo.
Hugger gang. Yeah. Yeah. When I get dressed and I kill 'em. These haters be mad, they don't feel 'em. I love to get fresh on these bitches, but still I ain't stressing these bitches. When them bitches do see me, they flirtin'. I just walk in that mall and I purchase. Man, I get dressed and I kill 'em. 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 Ooh, kill 'em. Ooh, kill 'em. When them bitches do see me, they flirtin'. I just walk in that mall and I purchase. Yeah. Man, I get dressed and I kill 'em. Man, I get dressed and I kill 'em. Shit, I love to get fresh. Every day, man, I love to get dressed. Take a pic with that shit on the ground. Yeah, bitch, I do shit for that crown. When I'm out on that block, I go ham. Got a pretty little bitch on named Pam. And Pam got her friend named Ashley. They be fucking each other, they nasty. I go to that mall and I drop a bag. Give me this, give me that. Man, I don't even care if it match. Fuck around and blow all of my scratch. Just to go out and get dumb lifted. All of these bottles, I'm dumb twisted. Fuck it, man.